everyone. I hope you're doing well, and thanks for joining me. I am doing a quick little Hobby Lobby haul video. I popped in there to just pick up one little item, and of course I always have to check out all the different areas that I like, and one of those is the Tim Holtz area. And much to my surprise, they had so much Tim Holtz on clearance. I was so stoked. So let me start with, gosh, I'm so excited. Let me start with the inks that I bought, and I'll do swatches of them. The first one here is Candied Apple, and these are ones that I didn't have. The next one is Chipped Sapphire, and these are the Distress Oxides, and these are normally $6.99 at Hobby Lobby, but they were on sale for $1.74 each, and I wanted to leave that on there. And then I got Prized Ribbon, so it was nice to add these to the mix because I did not have those in my stash. The next thing was these little barrels, and if you watched Tim's live on Saturday, he kind of pointed out the different things that have been retired, and these barrels was one of them. So I was excited to get that for $1.24. So if you haven't been to your Hobby Lobby, you might want to go over there and check it out if you have one. The next one are these word plaques, and this was $1.49 for these Lost and Found, Use Your Wings, Full of Wonder, and Live Your Story. They're regularly $5.99. So I thought that was a great deal. The next thing, I'd been wanting to try these, and for $1.62 versus $6.49, I had to give it a try. So it's 8 pieces. They're baseboard frames, which I'm excited to play around with these for journal toppers and things like that. So super excited for that. The next one, I was really surprised this was on clearance. This is the Ephemera Pack Snippets for $1.12, and you get 119 pieces. I mean, what a steal. And I think these are great just to finish off a page, a decoration, add a little decoration onto a tag. So many different ways you can use that. The next thing, I'm really stoked about this. These are the display domes, and these might be retired as well because I think they came out with some different ones, but don't hold me to that. But $2.12 versus $8.49. Super excited about that because I ordered some Halloween stuff from Simon Says Stamp because they had a 30% off sale, and I'm excited to kind of use these in some of my Halloween projects that I'm going to do. Next up are these gauge frames. Now, I know these have definitely been retired, so $1.49 versus $5.99. And I actually picked up 2 packs of these, so excited about that as well. The next thing, I always would look at these, and for $8, I was like, I just can't justify it. But these were on clearance for $1.62, so really stoked to use those as well. And then really excited about these. This is these vignette boxes, and it's $2.37 for 3 of them versus $9.49. And I picked up 2 of these as well. So really excited to use these, doing some different little mixed media projects and things like that for Halloween and for Christmas. And then the lanterns have also been retired, and $1.87. So really excited about that. They only had one left, so I was only able to get one, but I actually had ordered one on Simon Says Stamp for 30% off. So a little bummed about that, but that's okay because I'll use more than one. The other awesome thing were these curio clocks, and they're $13.99, and got it for $3.49, and I picked up 2 of these as well. And I know a lot of times you can get a lot of this stuff 40% off, 30% off, things like that at Joann's and other places. But really excited about these clearance prices. And then they did have some of their sprays and this foundry wax. I've been wanting to try this. So this was $2.37, and this is the antique, and it looks kind of, I don't know if it has the colors on here. I forget what the other one is. I can't really read it. Let's see. Sterling. So statue and sterling. So really excited to have those. And then I also picked up the Mind and Gilded. So Gilded and Mind. So really excited to play with those. And then they did have some alcohol pearls on clearance. This one has Deception, Splendor, and Alchemy. So really excited. And Scorch, Radiance, and I can't read what that third one is. Let's look real quick. Intense. All right, so I'll be testing these out. And then also picked up some distressed oxide sprays. So these are mica sprays in antiqued bronze, brushed pewter, and tarnished brass. And then these are just distressed oxides in kitsch flamingo, fossilized amber, and spiced marmalade. So they also had some other things on clearance in some of the other areas. And one of the things I picked up were these charms. And they look like they have dried flowers in them. It's for $1.24. And I picked those up. And the main reason I went in there was I'm working on a travel journal for Japan. And I wanted to find a little charm. And I found this charm here. It is a, kind of looks like a oriental fan. So I really just went in there looking for a charm and stumbled across all the other items. But I like that it opens and closes. So I think that's really neat. So let me, I want to do a little swatch of these three colors here. Grab a piece of paper. So let me know down below if you have gone to your Hobby Lobby already, and if these items are on clearance at your Hobby Lobby. And if you haven't gone, do you plan on going? Alright, so that's the chipped sapphire. The prize ribbon. I like that. And then the candied apple. Oh, pretty. Okay. I really like these colors. Very nice. Really pretty. Can y'all see those okay? It's always good to add to the stash. And I'm really excited about the sprays as well. Let me take a look at these chipboard pieces. Yeah, these are really nice. Yeah, when I watched Tim's video the other night, it was so inspiring. All the different makes that people made. Yeah, these are really cool. And I like to play around with grunging them up and things like that. All right, well, thank you all so much for watching. This was just a quick little video. Just wanted to let you all know about this, and so you all can take advantage if you want to. All right, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.